vehicle. You turn the ignition on. Press this little button. This is the gear shifter right here. I made it out of some duct tape, screwdriver, hammer, and a chisel. Put it in reverse. That's drive right there.
So I made this video when I was 16, so just bear with me.
Driving down the block like normal. You put it in reverse. Now it's in reverse. I'm driving. Sounds like a pretty truck right there. And just hold it again. That's drive. I'm driving down the road. And you stop at the house. Put it in park. Turn the ignition off right there. And then that's about it right there. Look, I even have a door handle right here.